Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the kisho. Oh my god, what since goes at this time in a kisho? What's the price since occur? What's the current price of the kisho? In this video I will show you friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you're new on my channel, please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for subscribing ABS Tech channel friends. Let's start the video friends and let's move on friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the kisho INU. The current price is 0.00000. Oh my god, I can't count this zero, but in the simple words, there is a bundle, and after a bundle of zero, there is a one. That is the current price of the kisho. Now friends, if you look, the price changes occur in the kisho, so absolutely I'm very shocked to see the changes occur in this time in the kisho. The last 1 hour price change as negative, the last 20 price change as negative friends. That's mean that from the yesterday the price change occur in the kisho as in negative friends. Absolutely the price change is gone wrong at this time in the kisho, so I'm very shocked to see this kind of change occur in the kisho. But on the other hand, if you look the previous time changes occur in the kisho, as you can see here, the last 1 week price change is absolutely 1,000 plus positive change occur in the kisho, but now the yesterday change is negative. Oh my god, I can't believe this change occur in the kisho. But I hope that this fast is a temporary fast, and this price going down as temporary. After some passage of time, with the passage of time, they again start pumping friends. Don't worry about this fast friend. Wow, as I told you my friends, in this time, as you can see here, that this I know at this time the price is fast down, but if you look the current condition of the kisho, so as I told you that they start pumping upward at this time, the current situation as they move upward. Absolutely this time, the once again the changes occur in the kisho, and the last 3 days change as positive. 195.23% positive change occur in the last 3 days in the kisho INU. Absolutely the price is going upward friends. So that's a good news for all kisho INU holders, that once again the kisho is start moving upward. I think that the kisho and Shima token make millionaire in 2021 friends. What's your opinion about that? Can I'm right or not? If you agree with me, like this video, then I understand that you agree with me. And if you are a kisho INU holder, so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates. Thank you so much for watching ABS Tech channel.